Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And let's get started. So alright, first thing I'm going to use is this Tarte Shape contour stick or whatever, however you want to call it. I am using medium honey. Let me take off my glasses. Alright, I do apologize, this is my first video, so if you see me looking to the side, I am looking towards my mirror. So let's get started. Alright, so what I do is I will put this under my eyes. Really get in there. And then I will put a little bit on my eyelids. Well, that doesn't look like a little bit, does it? And then I will use my Beauty Blender, which has a little case for it. It's super cute. And I will blend that out. The reason I do my under eyes is because I have really bad bags. That's really hard to say. That's like a tongue twister. And I will pat it down real good. Gotta fool these boys nowadays. I'm joking. I am really pretty without makeup. And I should put music on just for that silence. Alright, after I am done doing my eye stuff, I will go with my eyeshadow palette. And this one is from Ace Beauty. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm subscription, but I'll go in later, more in depth later on. Alright, so first thing, I also got my brushes off of BoxyCharm. I believe I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure I did. So I'm going to take this little one here. And these are Luxie brushes, the mini round L41. Then I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to go into Patchouli. And then I like to take the whole eye, just so it doesn't crease up. I have like really wrinkly eyes. I'm pretty sure it's just my age. And then I'll go into my other eye. Of course, because why would you only do one eye? Right, and then I will go in with another Luxie brush, the 131 mini angle brush. Oh, I hope I said that one right, the first one. Oh, it's 141. Mind you guys, I am blind without my glasses, so I do apologize if I had said anything incorrect. So next thing, on the same palette, I'm going to take Cinnamon. And I'm going to blend that out on the outer corner of my crease. Alright, so next thing on the palette, I am going to get cinnamon. And then I'm going to get the Luxie 131 mini angle brush. And I'm going to do it on the outer corner, outer crease. On both sides. Okay, next thing, I'm going to take the Luxie 121 mini tampered brush. And I'm going to take Poppy. And then that I'm going to do in the middle inner corners. And I'm going to blend that out real good. Okay. Then I am going to take a drink of my orange juice. Alright, I am back. So I just did my winged eyeliner. I had to do that off camera because I had to be all up in the mirror. Next, I'm going to go in with Better Than Sex mascara. I love this mascara. Makes me not have to use lashes because, mind you, I wear glasses, so there's no point of me wearing fake eyelashes. Alright. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to go to my face. So the first thing that I use is Born This Way foundation. It just focuses. I will link down below all the stuff that I used today. Okay. I will use a BS Small face round brush. And I will just squirt it, a couple of dots, 4 or 5 dots on the brush, and then do it on my face. And then we go down all the way down to our necks. And put in a little bit more. I like to really get in there. Alright, and it looks like it's good. Alright. Then after we're done with the face foundation, I will use my bronzer by my Bronzer by Morphe, and if I can open it. I will use a face flat brush by BS Mall, and I will get ooh, snapped. I would also do it on the bridges of my nose. Okay, and then at the top of my forehead, which you can't even see right now. Alright. Then after that, I'm going to go in with, I love this highlighter. It's called Halo Scope by Glossier. Should have taken it off the container. It's just a highlighter stick. You can literally lift it up like a lipstick. And I'll put it in the T-zone area. And I will go back in with the brush. This is the Face Tappert brush. And blend it out. You don't want that all clustered right in one side of the face. Alright, after that's done, then I'm going to go in with the Seraphina Seraphina blush. Alright, and this is by Juvia's. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Alright, and then after that's all done, I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. And that's just going to help my makeup not crease up. Because I love to snap. I spilled it all over my lap. Okay, you can already tell I'm a hot mess. After I spilled all of that on my lap. I'm gonna have to clean that later. Alright, then I'm going to go back in with the tiny brush, the mini flat angle brush. I'm gonna go back into the palette, the Ace Beauty palette. I'm gonna go into Cinnamon and put that on the bottom of my waterline. Alright. That is looking beautiful. Now my last thing that I will be using will be the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And this is just to set the makeup all in place. Alright. Let me put my glasses back on. And this is the look. So this is the finished look. Alright guys, if you guys like this look, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell button. Why was this so hard? I honestly thought videos were going to be easier, but they're not. But first one's out of the book.